Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a is equal to b squared minus 1057, b is equal to a squared minus 1057. So what is the value of a and b? And given that a is not equal to b. Now solution here, the first thing to do here, let's subtract equation, let's call this equation 1 and this equation 2. So let's subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So here we'll have a minus b. This is equal to b squared minus 1057. Subtract a squared minus 1057. The next step here, we'll have a minus b. This is equal to b squared minus 1057. Subtract a squared, then minus times minus 1057. This is plus 1057. The next step here, you find that negative 1057 simplifies here, so that a minus b, this is equal to b squared minus a squared. So let's take b squared minus a squared on the left hand side. So we'll have a minus b plus a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 0. Now here we have a minus b plus a squared minus b squared. This is equal to 0. Now a squared minus b squared, this is in the form of x squared minus y squared, which we can express as x plus y, x minus y. Let's apply this identity. Now let's apply this identity so that now we'll have a minus b plus, now a squared minus b squared, we can express this as a plus b, a minus b. This is equal to 0. Now a minus b is common here, so let's factor out a minus b, so that here we'll have 1 plus a plus b. This is equal to 0. Now here we have two parts. The first part is a minus b. This is equal to 0. And we have 1 plus a plus b. This is equal to 0. So here we have that a is equal to b. So this part is rejected. So this part is rejected given that a is not equal to b, satisfying this condition here. So let's proceed here. So now here we have 1 plus a plus b. This is equal to 0. So let's take 1 on the right hand side. So you'll have a plus b. This is equal to negative 1. Let's call this equation 3. Now the next step here, the next step is to add equation 1 and 2. So here we'll have a plus b. This is equal to, now here we have b squared minus 1057 plus a squared minus 1057. So here a plus b, this is equal to, we have b squared plus a squared minus, now we have negative 1057 minus 1057. This is equal to 2114. Now we have that b squared plus a squared now negative 1057 minus 1057, this is negative 2114. And now from equation 3, we have that a plus b, this is equal to negative 1. So let's substitute this. So here we have negative 1. This is equal to a squared plus b squared, subtract 2114. So let's take negative 2114 on the left hand side, so that here we'll have negative 1 plus 2114. This is equal to a squared plus b squared. So in this case, a squared plus b squared, this is equal to 2113. So let's call this equation 4. Now, the next step from what we have here, now if you recall from equation 3, we have that a plus b is equal to negative 1. So let's square both signs from here, so that here we'll have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is equal to 1. Negative 1 squared is 1. Now, from what we have here, we have that a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, this is equal to 1. But from equation 4, we have a squared plus b squared is equal to 2113. So here we have 2113 plus 2ab, this is equal to 1. The next step here, let's take 2113 on the right hand side, so that we'll have 2ab, this is equal to 1 minus 2113. So this implies that 2ab, this is equal to negative 2112. So let's divide both signs by 2, so that now ab, this is equal to negative 1056. And let's call this equation 5. So let's call this equation 5. Now we have AB is equal to negative 1056. Let's call this equation 5. Now from here, we have A minus B squared. This can be expressed as A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. Now from equation 4 here, we have that A squared plus B squared, this is equal to 2113. So here we'll have 2113, subtract 2, multiplying by, now here we have AB, which is negative 1056. So here we have 2113, negative times negative here is plus, then we have 1056 times 2. That is 1056 times 2. In this case, we'll have 2112. So now from here, we have 2113 plus 2112, and this is equal to 4225. So we have A minus B squared, this is equal to 4225. So from here, let's get the square root on both sides. So that here, we eliminate the square root sign, so that A minus B, this is equal to plus or minus the square root of 4225, which is equal to 65. So now here, we have that A minus B, this is equal to plus 65. And that we have A minus B, this is equal to negative 65. Now, from equation 3, which is A plus B equal to negative 1, let's start with A minus B, this is equal to 65. So here we have A plus B, this is equal to negative 1. So let's add these two systems of linear equations. We have A plus A, this is equal to 2A, negative B plus B here, this simplifies. Then this is equal to 65 plus minus 1. This is equal to 64. So let's divide both signs here by 2, so that A is equal to 32. A is equal to 32. Let's solve for B here. We have A minus B. This is equal to 65. So now we have that A is 32 minus B. This is equal to 65. So minus B, this is equal to 65. Subtract 32. So here we have minus B. This is equal to 33. So let's divide both signs by negative so that B is equal to minus 33. So we have the first set of solution as AB. This is equal to 32, comma, that negative 33. So this is the first set of solution. We are also given that A minus B is equal to negative 65. So let's solve for value of A and B when we have this negative 65. Now again, we have A minus B is equal to negative 65. Now from equation 3, we have that A plus B, this is equal to negative 1. So let's add these two system of linear equations. So A plus A, this is 2A. Then negative B plus B, this simplifies. And then we have minus 65 plus minus 1. This is equal to minus 66. So let's divide both signs here by 2, so that now A is equal to negative 33. So here we have A minus B. This is equal to negative 65. We have A equal to negative 33. Subtract B. This is equal to negative 65. So minus B. This is equal to negative 65 plus 33. So here minus B. This is equal to negative 65 plus 33. This is minus 32. Let's divide both signs by negative so that B is equal to 32. So here we have A, comma B. This is equal to A is minus 33 and B is 32. So this is the second set of solution. And therefore, we have that AB, this is equal to 32, comma, negative 33 as the first set of solution. The second set of solution is negative 33 and then 32. So this is the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. Subscribe, my good people. See you in the next video.